Alright, when we're installing a solar mount on Pacific Tile direct-to-deck, we'll use our direct-to-deck mount. We're going to go ahead and locate our rafter, pre-drill our holes. Take your caulking, go ahead and caulk those holes. Then we'll place our mount into that caulking, and then take our lag bolts and go ahead and fasten those into those holes. Then we'll just go ahead and take a panel and put a fastener on either side of the mount. Now it's ready to go ahead and put hardware on it.